Good morning, everyone. This is class 6 social science. Today we are going to learn our chapter 9 ancient towns, second part. So here is food habits. Many similarities are seen in the food habits and lifestyle of the people of the various ancient towns. A number of crops were cultivated: cereals like wheat and barley, pulses, oilseeds like mustard and sesame, and millets like bajra, ragi, and jowar. Remains of these crops have been found from the excavated sites. We do not find much evidence of the cultivation of rice. So therein we couldn't find rice. Fish, meat, milk, date, and fruits were also a part of the diet. People also domesticated animals such as buffaloes, goats, dogs, sheep, pigs, and asses. The humped camel, bison, rhinoceros, tiger, and the elephant were known to them as they are seen in many seals. Economic life means उसको ऐसा कह सकते हैं उनकी जो पैसा कमाने की एक्टिविटीज कौन सी थी वो. Though a large number of people lived in towns, they needed to be supplied with food. So farmers cultivated many crops on the outskirts of the city. In Kalibangan in Rajasthan, furrows were found during excavation. They might have grown wheat and barley, which were ground to make flour. They might have also grown pulses and sesame. Some remains of irrigation canals were also found in Afghanistan. Besides canals, water from wells was also used for irrigation. Ponds were used for the very same purpose in Dholavira. Besides agriculture, probably the most popular occupation was pot making. A variety of pots, both plain and decorated, have been found. Many pots were painted red with designs in black suggesting geometric patterns. Indus people alloyed copper and tin to make bronze. So we can make bronze from mixing copper and tin, which was more malleable and stronger than copper. Knives, axes, and chisels were made of stone. Lothal was an important trading center. A dockyard found at Lothal testifies to the fact that it played an important role in overseas trade as well. Here is Dholavira, you can see. Dress and ornaments. Archaeologists have found evidence of cotton and woven cloth. Spindles made of clay have been found in many sites. Spindles are used to spin cotton threads. Men wore flowing garments, while women wore skirts, as can be seen from various figurines found in the sites. Both men and women seem to have draped a shawl over their shoulders. Both men and women wore ornaments made of gold, silver, and badges of semi-precious stones like jade, lapis lazuli, cornelian, and agate. Bangles, earrings, and necklaces seem to have been popular. The women used kajal for their eyes and painted their lips as they do even today. Toys found from the remains of Indus Valley. These are toys we can found we have found Indus Valley civilization. Many household things like clay, pots, stone grinder and needles made from ivory, sickles, cutters, tables, chairs, coats, lamps, candle stands, ink pots, etc. were found during the excavation. All of these remains show the love for art and civilization in the people of those times. Many terracotta items of animals, cards, toys, and human figures were recovered from the sites. Some of the toys had parts which moved, for example, bulls and rams that could shake their heads and tails. There are toy birds which can move up and down ropes. Such toys are made in the villages of India even today. Two finely sculpted works of art were recovered from Mohenjo-daro. One is the bust of bearded man who has his robe thrown over one shoulder, similar to what one finds in Mesopotamia. The other is that of the famed dancing girl in bronze. Seals and script, you can see them. Many seals have been found in the Indus Valley, mainly made of steatite. Most of them show figures of animals, with a little writing on the top portion. Most of them are square in shape, a few round and some cylindrical. Some seals were used by merchants as a form of identification. Each merchant family had its own emblem on its seal. Some seals were used as amulets. The fact that similar seals have been found in Mesopotamia indicates that products from the Indus Valley reached there. The large number of seals show that people of these two civilizations had trade relations. A script is a form of writing used by people for the language they used. The script used by the Indus Valley people is one of the earliest known scripts. In the form of pictographs, it was probably inspired by the early Sumerian script, which was also picture-based. Each picture or symbol represented a word or a sound. The writing was widely used on seals inscribed on stone. However, till now, historians have not been able to decipher the script. So, the information they contain is still hidden from us. Signs found from Dholavira. Here are signs. At several of the Indus Valley cities, cube-shaped stone measures of weight in graduated size have been found. Remarkably, they seem to be uniform throughout the Indus territory. These weights may have been used to make trade easier. So, this is the end of our video. This was Signs of Dholavira.